Hi there, students. A disciple. Okay, a disciple is somebody who is influenced by a teacher. But this is somebody who is influenced and then they try to follow that teacher's example. This is particularly true of religious figures. And the first example that comes to mind are the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ. But notice there were Buddha had 10 disciples as well. The 10 principal disciples of Buddha. So the disciples of a religious leader are students of that person who try to do the same as that person and to teach other people to do the same thing. So it's somebody who takes on the teachings of somebody else and then spreads their teaching to other people. A disciple is somebody who follows a doctrine or a philosophical movement. Now, this phrase disciple, it's not normally talking about something like an English teacher or a maths teacher. It's talking about philosophy, it's talking about religion, it's talking about ideas. So a disciple is a follower, somebody who follows the doctrine of a teacher, somebody who follows a school of thought and tries to propagate that and to teach that to other people. So, for example, a disciple of Sigmund Freud, a psychiatrist could be a disciple of Freud. So they study what Freud says, and then they use this Freudian psychology to help other people and teach it to other psychiatrists. So this is the idea of a disciple, somebody who believes and helps to spread the doctrine of other people. So a Jainist is a believer in Jainism and tries to spread the idea. A Zoroastrian disciple, somebody who follows Zoroaster and spreads the word, spreads the idea. So a disciple, a follower, he is a major intellectual figure with disciples throughout the world. Okay, so this disciple, this is a person who believes in the ideas and principles of someone famous and tries to live in the same way that that person did. So he's an ardent disciple of Gandhi. He is a pacifist and spreads the teachings and beliefs of Gandhi. So this is spreading the ideas of a religious or a political ideas. Okay, Jesse Jackson was a disciple of Martin Luther King Jr. But the first thing it makes me think of, the disciples were the 12 people who followed Jesus. But this is an active follower of a philosophy. Especially they teach other people. They accept and assist spreading doctrines. So he is a these people are disciples of Mr. Trump and Trumpism. A disciple of Rousseau. A disciple of Machiavelli. Okay, so these are people who follow things. Adversity is a good disciple. He was an avid reader and disciple of Tolstoy. Okay, he was an ardent disciple of Gandhi. He's a devout disciple of the Episcopal Church. Okay, so he's following this. These people are disciples of the economist John Maynard Keynes. Okay, so this is talking about a follower, a student, and subsequently a teacher of some type of doctrine, some type of religion, some type of philosophical idea. Disciple, 6 out of 10, but probably use it anywhere. And this comes, there's an Old English word disciple, a scholar or a disciple, from discipulus in Latin, a pupil or a learner. So, disciple.